Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir. Dear student, today we are going to learn about municipal council and municipal corporation. This is the topic from urban government. Dear student, in previous period, we learned about Nagar Panchayat and its functions. Now, we are going to learn about municipal council and municipal corporation. So, dear student, municipal council. We know that municipal council, it is generally known as Nagar Parishad and also called as municipal boards and municipal committees. Dear student, they established the cities where the population between 20,000 to 10 lakh. The number of members vary from 15 to 60 in municipal council. And the representatives directly elected by the people for 5 years. Dear students, so the chairperson of municipal council means president elected for 5 years by the people, and executive officer who is appointed by the state government looks after general administration of city. He acts as link between the council and the state government. So this is the structure of municipal council and the informations of municipal council. So dear student, now we are going to learn about the functions of municipal council. We know here the fast changing life in the cities. The functions and responsibilities of municipal councils are increasing day by day. Now we know the supplying drinking water is the duty of the municipal council. Municipal council provide the pure drinking water to the people. Regular electricity in the particular area in municipal under the municipal council. Also, municipal council maintains hygienic and sanitary conditions in the cities. Council construct and maintains roads, bridges, market, water tanks, park, child welfare centers, and many more things. It also adopts the measures to prevent the epidemics and other infectious diseases. It opens primary schools and provides the education to the people. Provide the education to the student. It opens hospital to provide health facilities to the people, community centers for guiding the people, and shopping complexes. So many more things opens by municipal council. It keeps records of birth and death. It penalizes those hawkers and shopkeepers. So, all of the functions of the municipal council. Now, the sources of income. Here, the sources of income of the municipal councils are collect money from various taxes and get rent from the municipal buildings. They also receive the annual financial grant from the state government. These are the sources of income of municipal council. So dear student, this is all about the municipal council. Now, next important topic is municipal corporation. Here the municipal corporation. The big cities with large populations have municipal corporations. It is also called as Nagar Nigam. So, the municipal corporation chairperson known as mayor or Mahapaur means municipal corporation is headed by the chairperson. He is called as mayor or Mahapaur. The deputy mayor elected by the members performs all functions of the mayor in absence of the mayor. The chief executive officer means CEO implements the decisions of municipal corporation. He is called as municipal commissioner. And we know that the municipal commissioner is the administrative head of the municipal corporation and he is appointed by the state government. Municipal commissioner implements the decision taken by the house and supervises the work of the municipal corporation. Here, the municipal corporation is headed by the chairperson. He is called as mayor or Mahapaur. So dear student, this is the structure of municipal corporation. There are lots of committees in municipal corporation. Okay. Now this is the municipal corporation. So the functions of the municipal corporation. Dear student, we also learn about the functions of the municipal council. So as similar as the functions of the municipal corporation is there. Sanitation and cleanliness, including the removal of garbage and cleaning the drains, it is the main functions of the municipal corporation. Vaccinations in the time of diseases and epidemics, it is the major function of the health committee in municipal corporation. Maintenance of hospitals and dispensaries, it's also the main functions of municipal corporation. Providing fresh drinking water and regular electricity, duty of the municipal corporation. Municipal corporations also construct the roads and maintain the roads, bridge, flyovers, streets, subways, and some community centers and like park and some religious temple. Opening of the schools, libraries, museum, firefighting services, demolitions of unsafe building, constructions and maintenance of orphanage, night shelter, children homes, rest houses, cremation grounds. These are the main functions of municipal corporation. Registration of births and deaths, plantation of trees and plants in order to provide the pollution-free environment is a function of municipal corporation. So, we learn about the functions of the municipal corporation. So fulfill these functions, the municipal corporation needs some money, needs some asset. So, here, the sources of income of the municipal corporation. Dear student, the fulfillment of all these functions is really a tough task for municipal corporation, we know. The local sources of income include the water tax, octroi, property tax, entertainment tax, toll tax, rent tax, rent from the municipal properties, license fee, the annual financial grants and loans from the state governments. So these are the sources of income of municipal corporation. Dear student, the toll tax, it is collected by the municipal corporation to recover the cost of newly constructed roads and bridges or towards the maintenance of the existing ones. So These are the sources of income of municipal corporation. I hope you understand. Now, the assignment on today's topic, you should write the answer of all questions in your notebook. After watching this video. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for today and have a nice day ahead.